So let's dive in the video. Open the settings from the start menu and go to system. Here you need to find about, click on it, and here you need to find advanced system settings, click on it, and here you can see the hardware option on the top, click on it, and here device installation settings, click on it, and here go to no, your device might not be as expected, and click on this and go and press on save changes. After that, go on services, run as administrator, and here go and search for P. Here performance logs and alerts. You need to go to properties. Here set it as automatic delayed start, and after that go to and press start. After that go to your search option, search device manager, click on it, and here found sound, and the speaker you are using, for example I am using this, click on it and go on right click on it and go on update drivers. Here go search automatically for drivers and do it for everything you see here, and also for the safe sound also do it for here. So if the issue is mainly settings and drivers related and software related mostly, then this will fix your issue. If it's hardware related, then you need to get it checked physically. Thanks, have a nice day.